let us practice solving some more equations. Okay, so for example, 3p minus 10 equals to 5. So what we have learned so far, if here it is subtraction, that means we have to add this number with both the sides. Okay, so add 10 to both sides. Okay, so if I add 10 both the side, what will I get? Minus 10 plus 10 and plus 10 in right hand side also. So it will be 3p and it will be 0. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay. Now, other than this adding, what we can do, we can shift this number to right hand side. Okay, this shifting from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side is called transposing. Okay, that means if I, another way of doing this, I can shift this minus 10 to right hand side. This shifting of changing side is called transposing. Changing is called transposing. So while I was writing add 10 to both sides, I can write that transpose minus 10 to right hand side. Okay. Now, when I am transposing this minus 10 to right hand side, it will become plus 10. It will become plus 10. Okay. So it will be 15. So here 3p equals to 15 and 3p equals to 15. That means I have reached to the same point. Okay. Take another example. If it is 3x plus 8 equals to 2. Okay. That in this method what I have to do, if here addition, we have to subtract. That means subtract 8 from both the side. What it will be? 3x plus 8 minus 8, 2 minus 8. Okay, it will become 0. So 3x, 2 minus 8, it is subtraction and 8 is bigger one and having negative sign. So your answer will be this. Okay. Now, if I want to shift this plus 8 to that side, here it is plus, so it will become, when I transpose, it will become minus 8. Okay, so 2 minus 8 is 6. So this is a shorter method to solve. Okay, so we can see that transposing a number is the same as adding or subtracting the number from both the sides. In doing so, you have to remember the sign of the number has to be changed. If it is plus, it will be minus. When it is minus, it will be plus. Okay. Now let's start solving exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. First question, solve the following equation. First is 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Okay, I can subtract 5 by 2 from both the sides, but I can transpose 5 by 2 to right hand side. So when I transpose these to right hand side, it is plus sign. So when it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus 2 is LCM here. 37 minus 5, it is 32 by 2, it is 16. So 2y equals to 16. That means now it is multiplication. So when it is multiplication, you have to divide, okay, both the side. So 2y by 2 is y. Now it is multiplication. So when it will go to the right hand side, you divide. Okay. When it is multiplication in left hand side and you are dividing, that time don't change the sign. Okay. During multiplication and division, we will not change the sign. Only when it is addition and subtraction, we will change the sign. Okay. Let's do another one. Question number C. It is a by 5 plus 3 equals to 2. Okay. So I will transpose this plus 3 to right hand side. And in all the sum, we will write steps. Okay. So a by 5 equals to, when it is plus, so it will become minus. So a by 5 equals to 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. Now here in left hand side it is division. When it will go to the right hand side or it will change the side, it will become multiplication. So multiplied by 5, that will be only a will only remain, and minus 1 into 5, it is minus 5. Okay. So here this I am multiplying. When it is going to right hand side, I am not changing sign. Here I am dividing and I am also not changing sign. Only addition and subtraction you will change sign. Okay. And your homework will be B, D, F, G and I. Okay. Thank you.